Hi everyone and welcome back to World of Mike. Today we have a video to explain what's happened with my deck. So this is a bit of a repair work. So I had a comment from Peter Webster who very kindly pointed out that this could be ran the wrong way. Having a look closer at the instructions, it does appear that this is back to front and it should be flipped around the right way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out and try and rotate it, screw it back down, and then this should stop buffering against this post here. So we'll get that done. So huge thanks to Peter Webster who very kindly pointed that out. Oh, there we go. So I thought I glued this in, but luckily I haven't. So the idea is, we take that out now, if it'll let us, it's a little bit stuck. So we can see that this part here is a little bit cropped-sided, but we can fix that. So what we now have to do is, as you can see, that's where our gap problem is. So what happened was, it wasn't Harchette's fault. I actually screwed it like that, which of course if you're putting it like that, it's got to buffer up against that. So obviously, all it means is we just need to rotate it round to free up that gap so that you've got the thinner, as you can see, you've got like a little ridge there against this side. What that enables me to do now is I've got much more excess and I don't have that little ramp buffering up, or the pole buffering up against that. So what we're going to do is we're going to screw them back in now. So yeah, that has solved the issue. I did think maybe I would have needed a replacement, but that saved me 20 quid because that would have been a £20 job to replace. So yeah, a huge thanks to Peter Webster who very kindly pointed out the mistake. Peter, if you're watching, it is exactly what you said. So we'll just screw that down. This I'm still trying to get used to this wow stick because if you press too hard, it's like a shredder. It will suck you in the machine. But I don't normally do repair videos, but I thought I'd do a little update to show Peter, if he's watching, that it is exactly what you said. So yeah, huge thanks for that. Really appreciate that. So just screw that one in now as well. Okay, so as you can see, that's all lovely jubbly, and that's let's put that down, and that's rock solid now. So the good thing is obviously it could be that I need to put a little support there just to try and ease it over slightly. The problem we've got with that is we can't push it out because obviously I believe I glued that in and I haven't got anything thin enough to push through that hole there to see if I could erect that out. But it doesn't matter. I mean, obviously, if we train it a bit, what I can do is put a bar there to train it to stand like that. And in a couple of days, that would sort it out. The other problem is obviously these parts here where we've got these sections here, we're supposed to put like a little fitment in there. And obviously there. I do believe that they're being replaced, which are also the case for these parts here, which are the winches. These are going to be replaced and so are them. So for that purpose, I've not put it in. But I am very pleased to announce that that has solved the gap issue and this is back on track now. Because as we know, with a faulty part, it can hold us up for many weeks. I mean, look at the Spitfire. It took 7 weeks to get the replacement into the newsagents. But as you can see, yeah, very happy. So as I said, little tiny error there, but I'm pleased I sorted it. As I said, when I do a video, I'll always go by pictures. I don't necessarily read the instructions because it's very easy to tell by picture. And then afterwards, I will watch the video back, check that, you know, there's especially if we've got a problem like this and it's not fitting, I'll watch back and see where the error is. Why isn't it, you know, working? You know, is there a problem? Have I fitted it the wrong way round? And upon closer inspection, I read Peter's comment first and then I looked at the magazine as well. And yeah, this was just round the wrong way. So that is, I mean, I think potentially it is still a little bit close to that, but they should have drilled it a little bit centre because it's still if you look at the magazine, it's still a little bit centered, but just to release that off that pushing against it is just a huge achievement. So I hope you like that video. That is the Titanic, I believe that's issue 13. Yeah, because 14 was the officer's deck or something. So that's issue 13 fixed. I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you next on Titanic very soon for issue 15. And yeah, that's that repair done and dusted. Take care, guys. Have a lovely evening ahead. We'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Take care, guys. Have a lovely day. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and tap the bell notification if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. Take care, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye bye now.